What's up, Home Slice? Lucas here. So pen spinning, who would have thunk that would have been such a popular video? Anyways, I'm happy it is because I'm happy to make any tutorial for you guys that I can help out with. I've noticed in that video there was still some difficulty in learning those spins. If you had trouble learning the first spin, the thumb around, then watch this video, because if you follow along with me in this video, by the end you will be able to do a thumb around. I'm going to break it down, show you some easy progressions you can do to just make it so smooth, so easy, and easy to learn, and just click. But you gotta focus. So first of all, you can get a pen or a pencil. I noticed it's usually slightly easier if the object you're using is a little longer and well balanced. So for this video, I'm gonna use a pencil that is unsharpened, okay, because it's longer than the pen. All right, let's get started. First thing I want you to do is get your pen or your pencil and hold it like this. Middle finger, index finger, bring them up, touch it like this. Then you get the thumb, bring it over the top, kind of in the middle between those two fingers, just like that. Maybe a little bit more towards the index finger. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to drop that index finger, but still hold on to the pen or pencil using the middle finger and the thumb. Just do this a few times until you feel comfortable with it. Hold that arm out in front like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to drop that index finger just like before, but we're going to hold the pen or pencil between the thumb and the middle finger. And what I want you to do is move that thumb side to side and push that middle finger slightly up, almost like a snap. So just like this motion, but you have the pen or pencil in between. And you'll notice the pen or pencil moves up and down, up and down. Now what you can do is get yourself a pillow or something, or like a table, so if you drop it, you can just pick it right up instead of going onto the floor and picking it up. I mean, you can do that if you want to, but it just saves you time. I want you to drop that index finger, and then I want you to snap with the middle finger and the thumb, okay? Drop that index finger and then snap. And you'll notice the pen or pencil starts to move in that circular motion. Drop that index finger, snap. Index finger, snap. Now for learning the second half, and then we'll tie it all together, and then you'll easily achieve the thumb around. Take your hand, turn it over like this, point your index finger down, okay? You're pointing your index finger down, and I want you to have your middle finger in that post-snap position, so as if you just snapped like this. Place the pen or pencil right on top of the thumb so that it falls towards the index finger like this. So you want to place it a little bit more towards that index finger. I want you to work on letting it go and catching it with your index finger and thumb. Boom, just like that. Work on that. Boom. You'll understand the key point here is you want to keep that index finger pointed down long enough to where you can allow that pen or pencil to get back into the catching position. Because that's the secret to the thumb around. You know, otherwise you're just gonna it's gonna hit the index finger if it's not down and open for it to catch. Now that we learned how to drop our index finger, snap the middle finger and thumb, as well as holding our hand in that post-snap position, and then dropping the pen or pencil on the thumb and catching it with our index finger, now we combine all of those together. So drop, snap, catch. Drop, snap, catch. If you notice, I'm not holding my hand like this, even though I can do it like this. It really helps to supinate that wrist and hold that thumb so your fingernail is basically perfectly straight up and down like this. So you can almost balance a pen right on top of that thumb. Now, like I mentioned in my pen spin video, it does help to hold the pen a little bit more towards a third, the front third of the pen or pencil, because if you hold it towards the back third like this, when you try to spin that, it's just harder to get around the thumb. So if you hold it towards that front third like this, you'll usually get a nice spin. And there you have it, the thumb around. I hope this breakdown really helped you out, and I hope you were able to get it by the end of this video. If you guys want to see me break down more spins and talk you through them with simple progressions that are from my pen spinning cinematic tutorials, maybe we can do the Sonic next. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn those notifications on. I have plenty more videos coming out. I hope you all have a great day. Peace. I will see you all in the next video.